Brothers and sisters, let us discuss this brilliant archetype of Nataraja, perfect dancer, dancer of excellence. इस आप नटराजा में देख सकते हैं, ध्यान से देखिए इस फॉर्म को. The fire, the circle of fire around Shiva symbolizes the Sansara Chakra, the world we live in. Now focus on Shiva's hair. They are not vertically fallen down. बाल तो नीचे होते हैं. But his hair are horizontal as if flying in the air. और ऐसा कब होता है? जब continuously पूरी एनर्जी के साथ rigorous dance movements की जाएं, तब ऐसा होता है. So the flying strands of Shiva's hair symbolize dynamic action. Means इस संसार में आए हो, दुनिया में आए हो, पूरी जिंदा दिली से भरपूर कर्म करो, खूब मेहनत करो, but this karma must be supported with gyan, Brahma gyan. You can see Shiva, Nataraja, standing on this lotus flower, blossom lotus, Jagrit Chetana, flowered Chetana, consciousness. Flowered Chetana, that is lotus, symbolism of lotus. And you can also see this demon Apasmara trampled under the foot of Shiva. इसका symbolism है, it symbolizes ignorance. So what metaphorically Shiva, the Nataraja, is sending out a message that first you let your consciousness establish on the flowered supreme consciousness. Kill your ego, kill your pride, kill your negativities, kill your jealousy, kill your competitive feelings, you know. जो मन में सारा poison भरा हुआ है उसको पहले बाहर निकालो. And then dance. Then do karma, dance of excellence. And most emphatic symbol of Nataraja, brothers and sisters, most emphatic expression of Nataraja, you look at his face. Can you see any anxiety on his face? Can you see any distortion? No. He is at peace, in tremendous transcendental silence. How come? What a contrast. हम डांस करते हैं, डांस मीन्स कर्म करते हैं. जब हम रिग्रेस कर्म करते हैं, ऐसा रिग्रेस कर्म आप देखिए शिवा के हेयर तक उड़ रहे हैं, इतना रिग्रेस कर्म है. जब हम कोई रिग्रेस कर्म करते हैं, विग्रेस कर्म है हमारी लाइफ में आया है, एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम हमारा फेस देखिए आप. हमारा फेस एक कैनवस बन जाता है जिसपे हज़ारों इमोशंस, एक्सप्रेशंस बनकर आते और जाते रहते हैं और डिस्टॉर्शंस होती हैं, गुस्सा आता है, कभी कलर्स बदलते हैं. बट शिवा, this dancer of excellence, even during the this tremendous energetic dance, he can afford to be silent. He can afford to be in a shantam anandam state. How is it possible? Answer lies on his face itself. Just observe. On his face you can see his two physical eyes are closed and his third eye is open. His two physical eyes are closed and his third eye is open. And brothers and sisters, this is the secret. This is the sovereign secret. जब आप ब्रह्म ज्ञान की साइंस में, एक मेडिटेशन साइंस है ब्रह्म ज्ञान की, उसमें आप इनिशिएट होते हैं. भारत की परंपरा है, वी कॉल इट ज्ञान दीक्षा. जब आप ज्ञान दीक्षा लेते हैं ब्रह्म ज्ञान की, at that point of time, this is the only science. Physics, chemistry cannot help you. Biology cannot help you. This is biology of Brahma Gyan. Basically, यहाँ एक third eye है, हम सबके forehead पर एक third eye है. When we get initiated into the science of Brahma Gyan's meditation, brothers and sisters, उस समय हमारी भी third eye open होती है, activate होती है. तो जिस समय third eye open होती है और हम meditate करते हैं, so we are able to easily get entry into this inner home of consciousness, supreme consciousness. ये पूरा प्रोसेस, ब्रह्म ज्ञान का पूरा प्रोसेस, थर्ड आई एक्टिवेशन का पूरा प्रोसेस कब इनिशिएट होता है हमारी लाइफ में? आंसर लाइज इन शिवास मुद्रा. द फोर्थ हैंड which you can see tilted like this, and this hand tilted, is pointing towards the foot, his own foot. मीन्स जब हम झुकते हैं, हमें झुकना बहुत मुश्किल लगता है, लेकिन इट इज़ अ फंडामेंटल लॉ ऑफ कर्मयोग. जब हम झुकते हैं जब हम शरणागत होते हैं, when we seek the blessings of the lotus feet of a spiritual master, a true mystique, a Poon Guru, a Sat Guru. Brothers and sisters, it is only the power of Tattvajnani Gurus of India who have the potential to awaken your third eye. And when you meditate on third eye, then only you can become a Karma Yogi. So it is Guru, Satguru who initiates it. No matter how much, certain examples in the society, they have distorted the version of Guru Shishya Parampara. No matter how much, how many stories media has spun today around Gurus and Shishyas and Chelas. But fact remains to be the fact. It is a cosmic truth which cannot be changed. It's a cosmic law of nature that only a spiritual teacher can open this eye and can lead us onto the journey of Karma Yoga. So, think about it, ponder, and then act. Thank you very much.